Welcome to this video on deconstructing the physics of the ceiling fan capacitor, also known as the spark within the spin. Ceiling fans use single-phase AC motors for simplicity. However, these motors face a fundamental limitation called magnetic symmetry. Without a capacitor, the motor is locked in magnetic equilibrium. The alternating current creates a pulsating, not rotating, magnetic field, resulting in zero starting torque. To break this deadlock, the capacitor acts as a, quote, time machine, creating a phase shift. By storing and releasing energy, it delays the current in one set of windings relative to the other. Placing the capacitor in series with the start winding causes a current delay. This effectively simulates a two-phase power source from a single-phase line, breaking the symmetry. The phase shift creates torque. Think of it like pushing a merry-go-round. Pushing with two hands at the same time, and position results in zero movement. Delaying the second push creates the necessary twisting force. Because the magnetic fields peak at different times, the combined magnetic field physically rotates around the stator. The rotor chases this spinning field, converting the electrical phase difference into mechanical rotation. In modern fans, the capacitor often acts as a, quote, run capacitor, sustaining the spin. It maintains the auxiliary phase, ensuring the magnetic field remains smooth and circular, preventing a jerky cadence. The capacitor is essential for smooth operation. It reduces vibration and noise by minimizing uneven magnetic forces and ensures consistent motor speed for steady airflow. Capacitors also serve as electrical gearing to control speed. Selecting different capacitance values alters the voltage drop and strengthens or weakens the magnetic field to change the fan speed. The capacitor also provides efficiency and thermal protection. By correcting the power factor and smoothing magnetic fields, it reduces wasted energy, keeps the motor cooler, and extends the fan's lifespan. When the spark fails, you might notice symptoms like the fan running slowly, humming loudly, or needing a hand push to start. This happens because the motor is struggling against its magnetic symmetry. In the complete circuit, the capacitor acts as a phase shifter, linked to the start winding. The speed selector switch directs incoming power, ultimately driving the rotor, which is the kinetic output. The ceiling fan capacitor is an essential geometric necessity. It converts a linear pulsating struggle into a circular, efficient dance, controlling electricity into comfortable, managed motion.